Assalamu alaikum viewers.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters.
Today our experiment.
Is
New experiment. What is the name of experiment, Anil?
make a wing.
Make a wing. Wing shape that will fly.
We are going to make it fly with this hair dryer.
Yes, the source of air will be hair dryer. And what are the other things that we need?
We need a skewer
Yes.
and a paper
A little stiff paper, but lightweight.
and straw
Straw,
and pencil,
pencil.
but it have to be sharpened.
Okay.
And a tape, any type of tape, like this or any.
Okay. Let's make a wing first. So what we need is a paper. We will make it a half.
Yeah. It's just like how do you do an aeroplane thing.
Yes, but not completely half.
A little smaller.
Little smaller, like this. This much
Enough.
shorter.
Enough like one for this face.
Now
Now let's do it like this so it can get tight.
now we have folded it. Now we need to make this side together and we will tape it. Give me some tape. It's ready.
Yeah, but kids also be careful sometimes because if you have these tape, then there is also a spiky thing in, so you have to be careful.
Be careful. Now we have a wing shape. How the wings are? Wings are the downside is flat and the upside is curved. Okay? We have the wing shape now?
Yes.
Okay. Now next thing is we need to make a hole. Now we will pass this straw from this hole.
You also need to look inside, or it will be
Okay. Now we will tape it. Now our wing is ready to fly.
Yay. But
We will put this inside this skewer.
and then inside is the skewer being given inside.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Make it straight. Straight. Now we will blow air.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! More time.
Ahil, do you know why this paper is flying?
Yeah.
How?
Because the air from this source is making it going round. So it's going round. So air is coming down with the round. So the air is pushing it up.
You know how this is flying?
Yeah.
Because when this is up one is a curved surface.
Yeah.
Down one is a flat surface. When air is passing up of the wing, it is getting more speed because of this curve. Okay? And down one, air is going straight. When the principle is when the air speed is fast, the pressure will get down. Pressure will be low. Now upside air is more fast, but pressure will be low. Downside air is little slow than the up one, and the pressure will be high. So when the pressure will be high from down, thing will go up, 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 move up. Yeah, like this. And there is a amount that the pressure will be applied. So that's why the aeroplanes are made up of aluminium. Aluminium is a light metal. Light metal. Yeah, that is not too heavy metal. That's why the aeroplanes are not so heavy like a sea ship. Sea ship is very heavy. Sea ships are very heavy. They are made of steel. Steel. Yes, iron steel. Muhammad Ayal, story time. So from today's experiment, which story you recall? From the wind, I recall the story of Burak. Tell me the story. The story is one day the Jibreel alayhi salam and the white baby horse from heavenly named Burak came 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 down while the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was resting. Then Jibreel alayhi salam asked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to sit on the Burak. Then Jibreel alayhi salam and the Burak go from from the Kaaba till Masjid al-Aqsa. And that creature Burak take one step, take a long distance. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached there, he offered a prayer which was named Tahiyatul Masjid. He lead all the prophets on Masjid al-Aqsa. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lead all the prophets. Yeah, the one who gave the adhan was the Jibreel alayhi salam. But the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lead all the prophets. Like he was the Imam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the Imam of all the prophets. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is called Imamul Anbiya. Imamul Anbiya. After the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam complete his prayer, Jibreel alayhi salam go to send him a red wine and a milk. He chose milk to drink. Then Jibreel alayhi salam got happy. That was the first journey called Isra, which was from Kaaba to Masjid al-Aqsa. Then there was another long journey waiting for him called Miraj from the Masjid al-Aqsa in the heavens. He went on the journey of Miraj, which was from the Masjid al-Aqsa till the heavens. To meet Allah Ta'ala. To meet Allah Ta'ala. So then he goes skies by sky. So in the first sky, he meet Adam alayhi salam. Then some information about Adam alayhi salam. On Adam alayhi salam's side, there was good people. But on the other side of Adam alayhi salam, there was bad people. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam cried. So then Jibreel alayhi salam decided to go to the second sky. There was two prophets, which was Prophet Yahya alayhi salam and Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Then they both agreed together. But at each of those gates, there was an angel guard, which was protecting the gate. Then at the third sky, on the fourth sky, meet Idris alayhi salam. Some information that he was the first guy who made the first pen. He made Prophet Harun alayhi salam. Then on the fifth sky, then on the sixth sky, it was Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Information that Musa alayhi salam cried when he see Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because Musa alayhi salam had less followers in the heaven. But Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had more followers in the heaven. So then in the seventh sky, this is the last sky, the seventh sky, he meet Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam
resting after the Baitul Mu'min. So then he go at the high limits.
Oh,
Then on the high limits, he saw the Shajaratul Muntaha. And the Shajaratul Muntaha is like its fruits and leaves are extremely big and it was full up of gold and butterflies. So then after he see that, he saw Angel Jibreel in his own shape. He saw that he was so big and he saw that Jibreel alayhi salam has 600 wings. So then he went to Shajaratul Muntaha. Then Allah Ta'ala talked with him. Then he said that he give a message to Muslims that they have to pray 50 days.
yes, Allah Ta'ala gave a gift to Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. To the prayers, 50 prayers.
Then he was going back to Makkah. But on his way, Musa alayhi salam just called him. Then he asked about the message. Then he said, your Muslim cannot complete it. Ask for
50 prayers are too much.
yeah. Then he go up back to Allah. Then he requested for less. Then he put it to 10. But then he was going back to Makkah, but again Musa alayhi salam called him. Then he requested for less. Then he go back to Allah. Then he gave him a prayer for 5 times only. Then he go back to Makkah, but still again Musa alayhi salam called him. He said that request less, but Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam got so uncomfortable. He said, I'm not going to go less. Do you want to make 5 into 2? Then Allah Ta'ala came to him. Then he said that it's okay. The Muslim can pray 5 daily prayers. If they pray 5 daily prayers, then they will still get the same reward of 50 prayers.
50 prayers, subhanallah.
Then finally, comfortably they go back. Then he come to Kaaba. But in his way, he also saw a group of people coming to Kaaba. And that was the end.
Muhammad Ali. Question time.
Hey.
Okay, pick a card.
Alhamdulillah.
Give me. So, our today's question is Allah's Messenger said, you must be truthful, for truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to options are prosperity, option B, gain, option C, paradise.
Paradise.
Your answer is correct.
Righteous always lead to paradise because righteous means all the right things. But
Yes.
we go in heavens late. When the day of judgment starts, then we after that we go to the heavens or hell. Then he decides. But only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows.
Okay, viewers, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, and we are going to do a bye with my triangle.